Good evening, students. As part of frequently asked questions, let me tell you, daily one question I am going to take and what answer is suggested, I will tell you. So try to practice several times and tell in your own words. Don't mug up. Tell you in your own words, and when the question is asked in the interview, you tell that. Okay? First question, tell me about yourself. As I have already told you, by this question, the interviewer judges your language, your confidence, your body language, everything they are going to judge you. If you tell correctly, they will get an idea about you. Now, how to answer that question? As I have already told you, there are 13 steps. What are they? Number one, name. Second one, where are you from? Number three, what is your family background? Number four, what you are doing right now, and why have you taken your branch, and why have you taken a BTech? What is the percentage you got? What technical skills you have? What co-curricular activities you have got? What extracurricular activities you have got? And what is the project you have done? What are your strengths? And what are your hobbies? And your aim in life? And last sentence should be that's about me. Okay? Now, let me start. My name is Raghava Rao. I am from Tenali. I am pursuing my BTech from Vignan University, Vetlamudi, and I belong to educated family. The reason for taking a BTech is technology is growing day by day, and the reason for taking up CSE is communications or software is has got very good scope nowadays, and proficient in C language, Java, and have taken part many co-curricular and extracurricular activities. To name the few, I did my PET and BEC from Cambridge University. I've got certification for that. And I attended Surjanankura, a technical fest of Vignan University. I presented a paper on topic, tell the topic. And not only that, in class also very active, used to interact with my colleagues and with my teachers. And these extracurricular activities I have taken part in many events. Say for example, we have got one course, credit course. That credit course is physical exercises. So every day, I used to go for running, and I participated in intercollegiate and could get second place. And I have done a project on so and so for a period of 3 months under the guidance of Professor so and so. And my strengths are I've got good communication skills. I am willing to learn. I know how to manage the stress. And my hobbies are during my leisure time, I play caroms and I read the books. So my aim in life is I want to settle down in a reputed organization and bring good name to my parents. That's about me. So this is one way of telling the resume. Second way is you can start any way. There is no hard and fast rule you have to do in the same manner. You can start with your career objective and tell that. How will you tell that? This is second way. Say, sir, my ambition in life is I want to join in a reputed organization like TCS. And now software is booming. So when I was doing my 10th class itself, I got that interest to take the software. That interest had created me to do my BTech in CSC. And for that purpose, from first year onwards, I concentrated on the subject and I could score. By the time I came to third year, seventh semester, this much percentage got. It is not only theory, we have to learn technical skills. And nowadays, along with the C language, Python is considered to the hot subject. So I started taking interest in C language and Python. I learned the basic knowledge of that. Not only that, unless we have got the practical experience, it is very difficult to work in an organization. So that is the reason why I am very active in taking part in the co-curricular activities. I participated in many events, starting from Srujanakura to technical fits. So I presented a paper. Presentation skills are very, very essential for anybody. So I presented a paper titled so and so. And communication skills are must if one wants to develop in life. That is the main reason why I concentrated on communication skills and learned all the soft skills that are necessary to work in an organization, from time management to stress management, presentation skills. All these skills I learned in soft skill classes. And in third year, I got the certification from Beck, which concentrates on listening, reading, writing, and speaking. So I got the certification with a percentage of so much. So along with that, I learned many extracurricular activities because one should be active physically and mentally. So I took interest in games and sports and joined NCC to learn the discipline. That discipline, communication skills, interpersonal skills, and the knowledge of technicals which I want to put it into practice. Added to that, I have done a project on so and so under the guidance of my professors for a period of 1 month. So the theory I have learned in the classroom, the application part I learned by participating in the events and project work and all those things. Now I am quite confident. With the knowledge I gained, with the experience I gained, I want to implement all those things in the work I do. I want to shine in the field. In the years in come, my aim is within 5 years, I have to reach a good position, and side by side, I want to pursue my skills also. So In short, this is about me, sir. Thank you very much. So this is the way of telling. So what you have to do is mainly resume, whatever you say, the same thing in interview, then there is no use at all. First one, that is career objective, education qualification, your and technical skills. These three you are telling what are the requisites for a person to suitable in an organization. Then you have to prove that you have got that experience. How? Co-curricular, extracurricular, project work, and strength and hobbies. By telling all these things, you are claiming in the first three, you are proving in the last five. Have you understood? You try to practice it and come back to me. Several times you have to practice, take the video. Your body language also should be good. You should not mug up. You have to tell on your own fluently. Okay? By this, we have completed first one. Tell about yourself. We'll come up with second question tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you very much.